Welcome back, media literacy students. I want to show you how to access the assignment today because it is on the TED Ed website, and I have it set up so that you will need to register with a TED Ed account, or you will be unable to actually, have your assignment finished and uploaded appropriately for me to see, okay? So you're going to be watching this crash course video on media literacy. It's just an introduction. So what you're going to watch it, go ahead and you're going to click the little button here and watch it. And then when you go to think, it asks you 8 multiple choice questions. So in order to answer those questions, like if you try to answer one, it's going to say, okay, if you've already logged in, click login to verify your authentication, click register if you need to create a free account. I want you to click register, please. So click, here you go. All right, so continue with Google. That's what you need to do, okay? So you're gonna click continue with Google. You're gonna make sure you can see this. Make sure that you access your Horizon account, okay? So you will click your Horizon account and go from there. As a general rule, you guys, always just continue with Google because it will connect you right to Google Classroom and Clever and everything else, okay? So again, like I said, I am asking you to please make sure you register for an account or else you won't be able to do the assignment. All right? So when I go back here, okay, so there will be 8 think questions. You will have to answer them. Dig deeper is just, telling you where you can find more info if you want to. And then there is 1 discussion question, okay? So your question is, after watching this video, what do you think is the biggest problem we face with the media today? So when you click view discussion and respond, you should be able to, once you've signed in with Google, type your response there, okay? So if you have any questions, use any of the million ways that you have to contact me, and I will help you out, okay? Good luck and have a great day.